Oh my god, you know what my mum told me? She watched my YouTube the other day and she's like, why are you like speaking so loudly? And my brother was like, yeah, why are you like, you sound like you're a magician or something. Hi, hello, welcome. Today I'm going to pull the rabbit out of the hat. And I was like, okay, fine, then watch how I'm going to do in my next outro. Hi, hello, welcome. Just kidding. Hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are back with another episode of Cooking with Deepz. Wait, should we call this Drinking with Deepz? You guys enjoyed my summer drinks video and I have had so many requests to make a new video of summer drinks, and by that I mean one person asked me. Before we continue, if you're new, welcome. Hi, this is Deepz. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any of my videos. Starbucks opened up next to my workplace and my bank account is crying, you guys. So I thought to myself, what if I can learn how to make these drinks at home? That way I can stop myself from going to Starbucks, stop myself from spending money, and I can just come home and make those drinks myself. Genius, right? Thank you. So, why waste time? Let's get right into it. Okay, drink number 1, strawberry frappuccino. For that we're gonna need strawberries, milk, sweet condensed milk, sugar, ice, and strawberry syrup, and of course I managed to get my hands on some Starbucks cup. Okay, we've blended everything in together and we're gonna put this aside. Get your cup. It doesn't have to be a Starbucks cup, just get any. Put some extra syrup for some extra sweet. I've never done, this is going everywhere. Okay, that's not too bad. And then, wait, pour that in. Oh, looking so good. Alright, and then last thing to add, cream. Okay, probably not the prettiest, but we can work on that. And then you want to close it. Tell me that doesn't look like a Starbucks drink. Okay, time to taste, my favorite part of the video. See, there's a problem here. I don't know what to compare it to because I've never had the Starbucks Frappuccino in the strawberry version, but what I've made here based on what I think should the strawberry Frappuccino should be, this tastes quite good, guys. It tastes like strawberry milkshake. So try it.
It's quite banging.
Thank you. You're welcome. On to drink number 2. We are going to try a caramel frappuccino. Now this, guys, is my absolute go-to drink. Whenever I go to Starbucks, I always pretend like I'm going to read the menu, pretend like I'm going to spend 5 minutes trying to decide what I'm going to get, when deep down I already know I'm going to get the caramel frap. So let me show you how to get this one done, and hopefully it just tastes as good as the one in Starbucks. Okay, so then we're going to squeeze some caramel onto. I think that's fine. Alright guys, we've got our next drink right here. I've put the caramel into the cup and we're just going to pour that in and put some cream on top. In it goes. Oh. Whoop! Too much, too much, too much. Let's get some of that off. Actually, no, we can leave that on top. Okay, and then you want to go in with the cream. Now tell me this doesn't actually look like a Starbucks drink. Oh my god. Look amazing how that looks. Sorry. Look how amazing that looks. I can't speak. Alright, time to taste. Oh my god, that's it. I'm opening my new Starbucks store, whatever you want to call it. This tastes almost exactly like the drink I normally get. I would probably add a little bit more caramel, but other than that, pretty impressive, guys. Oh my god. Do you want to try this one too?
Oh yeah. Oh, bring it in.
Hey! Come back! On to the third and final drink. This one is a cookie dough frappuccino. Now, I've never seen this one on the UK menu, so I'm assuming it must be American, but I wanted to try it out, so let's get right into it. Pour it into the cup. So you want to get some caramel on the side, pour the mixture into the cup, then we're gonna break this cookie into pieces and top it off with cream. Let's go! And in goes the straw in time to taste. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Again, I have nothing to compare this one to because people who live in the UK, I'm pretty sure we haven't tried this before. But let's see. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it, does it? But oh my god, look how amazing this looks. You can see all the cookie dough cream, ice cream, the cookie. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, that's one. Do you want to try it? I kind of like don't want to give it to you.
I'm not lying, it's the best one.
It's the best one?
That's the best one.
That's because you love cooking. Give it back. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed all the 3 drinks we tried out. If you did, don't forget to try them out. Tag me on any post. My Instagram will just be down below here. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and maybe there'll be a part 2. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite Starbucks drinks is, and maybe we can try that next time. I will see you in the next episode of Cooking with Deepz or Drinking with Deepz. Bye bye!